Blue Water CRM, cloud-based CRM software specifically designed for collection agencies, debt by username, password, and click Login. Let's get started. You can see we're logged in as an administrator, and in this video we are going to go over account history. Let's go to the left-hand side and click on Account History. When I click on Account History, I see a number of different links. Let's start with Audit by Account Number. Now, when I click on Audit by Account Number, I will see a account number verification form. And here I can put in a account number from within the system. So I copy and pasted this account number. I'm going to click on Search. When I click on Search, we can see all the activity for this account. Now, this is part of the audit system. This is not a note system. So when you're logged in as a collector or you look at the account from a note standpoint, a lot of this stuff won't appear because it's not germane to actually the communication with the debtor. The audit system actually looks at every single interaction with the account. So you can see what people are doing, if they're moving stuff, if they're changing stuff. This will give you a step-by-step activity of the entire account. As you can see from here, the account number was searched. Right below that, we can see that the rank type or the payment history type hierarchy has been changed. We can see that the borrower information was updated, and we can see several times that this was searched. So this is a great tool if you want to see or you're suspicious about a particular account within your system. You can come here and you can click on the link and see exactly what's going on. The next link we're going to click on is Audit by Client. When I click on Audit by Client, we'll see a drop down, and this will be a list of every single client that you have in this system. When I click on the particular client and click Search Data, what the system returns to me is it shows me for every single client when they logged into the system. So I could see that this client logged on 12/21, 12/20, a number of different times. And this should give you good insight onto how your clients are actually using your system. This just shows when they logged into the system and if they logged out. You can see right here, this one logged out. Let's go to Audit Monitoring. Now, when I click on Audit Monitoring, this is a daily, instantly updated dashboard of everything that's going on in the system. This will show you every single mouse click, regardless of the user. This dashboard is refreshed every second, and it will continue to show you updates. This dashboard is also part of your dashboard system, so you can see this in real time. It's a nice little tool if you want to see and get a good snapshot of every interaction on your system. The next link we're going to click on is Manage Alerts. When I click on Manage Alerts, we're going to see right here, I have two alerts already set up. I have net collections and total collections. I've given them a name. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click on Add. When I click on Add, I can create a special alert. Let's call this Client Update. I can set a specific type of alert. I can say, alert me when total collections are, net collections are, the total inputs are, or the total post dates. Let's say I want to know when total collections for the day reach $10,000. So I click that, I come down here, and I can actually choose to send that to anyone in the system, anyone that has an email address, which everyone would. So if I wanted to select user 1 and select user 2, when I hit submit, they will be sent an alert every time total collections equals more than 10,000. For now, I'm going to hit the back button, and I'm going to look at the two that I have right here. I can see I have one for net collections, which says at $500, please send me an alert to an email. It can also be sent to a text message. And over here, I have another one, total collections of $20. A very good system if you're going to be traveling a lot or you're in a big office managing multiple floors. This can be sent to you to update you on what's going on and when these certain levels are met. So now I'm going to click on Report Alert. When I click on Report Alert, I can see a number of reports that I've already prepared for this demo. Their name, the date it was saved, who created it. I can also delete reports. I could see what client is getting the report, what employee is getting the report, or set it up, and the time it's scheduled for. Now, when I click on Run Report, I will see right here the basic query for this particular report. And as I scroll down, you can see right here the client ID, what the status of the account is, what the account number is, and all of the other reserved fields. As I scroll further to the right, I can see more information, receive date, any post dates, if there was mail return, and so on. So this is a very good tool. Now, this tool or this particular query can be saved by giving it a query name. But I'm just going to go back because we've already saved this particular query in the system. And what I want to do now is this particular report right here, I'm actually going to go in and schedule it to run. So I'm going to schedule this report. I'm going to schedule it to run on January 22nd. And I'm going to schedule it to run at 7 o'clock. Now I can decide if I want this report to be automatically emailed to any of the clients in the system, and only clients that have an email address will appear here. And below, I can also send it to any user in the system or any email address in the system from a management standpoint or an employee standpoint. And as long as they have an email address, their client name will be here. All employees are required to have an email, so they will appear here. When you hit submit, this schedule report that's running on January 22nd will run and be automatically emailed to them. Hit the back button. We're back at the report alert. In this video, we learned about account history. We learned how to audit accounts. We learned how to audit clients and see when they log in and log out of the system. We learned about audit monitoring, which is a system that allows us to see every single mouse click in the system by every user in the system. We learned how to manage alerts. The manage alert systems allow us to set a threshold for a particular action. For example, when collections go above 10,000, please send me an email. We also learned about the report alert system, which creates a report that can be emailed to any user or client that uses the system. Thank you for watching this video. Each video is designed to give an in-depth overview of every single component of the system. My goal is to make you a blue water CRM expert. Thank you for watching.